About to invest in a new fence? Here's a money-saving tip. Think carefully before going for wooden posts. They twist, warp, and rot over time. And let's be honest, round steel posts with all that extra metal are so unattractive, costly, and time-consuming to hide. The solution? The original PostMaster. The first steel fence post designed to give you the strength of a steel-reinforced fence post while maintaining the natural beauty of a wood post. And unlike wood fence posts, which can twist, warp, and eventually rot over time, PostMaster has been designed to provide you with years of service. It can withstand high winds, heavy rain, and hot, dry days, all without losing its performance. Master Halco guarantees it because every PostMaster steel post is backed by a limited lifetime structural warranty. No other wood or steel fence post comes close. And since the original PostMaster can work on almost any fence style, including privacy, picket, shadow box, and horizontal fences, your home will quickly become the envy of the neighborhood. So go ahead, build the fence you want with the original PostMaster. For more information or help connecting with a fence professional, please visit us at www.postmasterfence.com.